Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to convert MP4 to MKV on your Android device. Ready? Let's go! First, download a reliable video converter app from the Play Store. Search for popular options like Video Converter or Format Factory. Once installed, open the app and locate your MP4 file. Make sure it's easily accessible on your device. Select the MP4 file and choose the MKV format from the output options. It's typically found in the Formats or Settings menu. Now, hit Convert. The process will take just a moment. Patience is key as your file transforms. Once complete, you'll find your newly created MKV file ready to enjoy. Check your library for the output. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your video. Enjoy enhanced quality with MKV. Remember, MKV files support higher quality and multiple audio tracks, perfect for your media needs. Don't forget to share the knowledge. Teach your friends how to convert videos like a pro. For more tech tips, subscribe to our channel. You won't want to miss our next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Happy converting. See you in the next video. Remember, video formats can elevate your experience. Stay curious and keep exploring.